Okay. See here, today we are learning about the Agile methodology, guys. Agile methodology. Okay. So on the day I explained about what is Agile methodology, all those things, right? Today we are going to learn clearly how we are working in Agile methodology under Scrum framework. Okay. So initially, what we required, guys, what are the 6 phases? Can anyone hurry?
Planning and analysis.
Sorry, what is planning?
Requirement
Hmm.
gathering and analysis.
Yes, requirement and requirement gathering. Okay, right.
Mm.
What is the second point?
Design.
Design. What is the third point?
Uh, uh, Design. Development.
Yes, development.
Testing.
Okay, fifth one.
uh, Testing. Deployment.
Okay, what is the sixth one?
mm, and maintenance.
Maintenance, right? Deployment and maintenance. Correct enough?
Hmm.
Right. So these are the 6 phases we usually have in SDLC and in where and waterfall methodology also. ఓకే. ఈ 6 ఫేజెస్ మనకి అక్కడ కనిపిస్తాయి. ఓకే. సో, ఇనీషియల్లీ ఇన్ అజైల్ మెథడాలజీ, ది ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as requirement analysis. Who is going to write the requirements, guys? In a waterfall, we have a BA, right? But in IT industry, coming to agile methodology, who is going to write these requirements? We call him as product owner, PO. Okay, product owner is called as the product owner is going to write the requirements. Okay, Manoj, previously you said that we are going to write the 100% requirements, right, in waterfall methodology. Here also we are going to do the same thing. No need, guys, no need to write 100 percentage of requirements here. Okay, initially, if we have 25 percentage or 15 percentage of requirements also, no problem. Okay, guys, if we have 10 percentage, 15 percentage, 25 percentage or 100 percentage also, no problem. Why, Manoj? Why? What is the main reason? Because in here we are encouraging the changes, guys. Okay, and that too, we are working in a iterative way. Iterative in the sense we are working in a sprints wise. In iterative, every day we are going to work for a sprints. In that sprints, okay, connection joint. Right, in that sprints we are completing the work by sprint. Right, guys? In a sprint by sprint we are working and we are completing. Manoj, I don't know anything about sprint. Today only I'm listening. Guys, 1 second. జస్ట్ నాకు కొంచెం కర్డ్ రైస్ చాలు. Yeah, right, guys. So what I said initially, if we have just 25 percentage of work items, we can start the work. Okay, Manoj. 25 percentage in the sense, how many tickets, Manoj? I don't know that, guys. Okay, how many tickets? I don't know. Just consider, to complete the whole project, we required 1,000 tickets. In that 1,000 tickets, what is the 25 percentage, Hari?
250.
250. Initially, in this backlog, we are keeping 250, 250 tickets, guys. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, I'm keeping it like this with the different colors. Okay, so that you will get to know. 250 items, we are going to keep it here in the backlog. What is this backlog? This backlog is called as product backlog. Okay, Manoj, what is product backlog? Product backlog is nothing but just consider it is a storage, guys. Okay, just consider it is a storage. In this storage, we are keeping all the requirements. Okay, that means for project related tickets, we are keeping in the product backlog. How much, Manoj? Previously I said, right? It might be 10 percentage, it might be 20 percentage, it might be 70, it might be 50, right? It depends upon the product owner. Okay, Manoj, I mean, if we keep only 25 percentage in future, are we going to any problem? No problem, guys. Okay, if you keep 100 percentage also no problem. If you keep 10 percentage also no problem. Okay, that is the main advantage in agile methodology. Okay, so that's the reason we are adding initial stages. Now what is this product owner is doing? Okay, now what is this product owner is doing? Now product owner brought the requirements, right? Now what is he doing? Now after bringing all these requirements, so we have to start the project. Now this product owner initially giving some requirements to us in the sense to the development team. Okay, I said this is the product backlog. Product backlog small form is PB. Sometimes we call it as PB items. Don't don't get confused. Okay, PB in the sense product backlog. Okay, now this product owner, what he will do, guys? He will give some requirements to us from product backlog to this backlog. This backlog name is called sprint backlog. SB. Okay, sprint backlog. Okay, now he will bring some requirements. How many requirements, Manos? Just consider 20 requirements he brought. Okay, he brought only 20 requirements. Okay, Manoj, are we going to complete these 20 requirements? No. Okay, no, guys, we are not going to complete all these 20 requirements. Why, Manoj? Whatever the work has been given by the product owner, we have to complete that. You said the same thing, but now you are saying we are not completing. That means just consider in front of you, there is a large pizza. Okay, there is a very large pizza, extra large pizza. Okay, this pizza can be completed by around five people. If five people sit together, they can complete it. What I'm doing here, I am saying you to complete this pizza. Can you complete it? No. The reason behind is it's out of your limit. Okay, it's out of your limit, guys. Now how much you can eat? Just consider this two portions you can eat. This portion and this portion. If you eat these two portions, that is more than enough. Okay, here also the same thing. We can't complete this 20 tickets. Okay, we may not. Okay, it depends. We might not. Okay, sometimes we can take, if the product owner gives 20 tickets. Okay, these 20 tickets on our capacity. Okay, and we can take one more ticket also, then we add 21. Sometimes in this 10 we can complete only 15 tickets only. What we are going to do, remaining 5 tickets we are moving back to the product pack. Okay, guys, that is the scenario. Here it is going on. Okay, now who are the people are responsible for this, Manoj? Here, scrum master, plus development, sorry, scrum team is nothing but developers plus testers. So these guys are responsible for the uh, sprint backlog. Understood, guys? Hari, understood? Any doubts?
Clear, Manoj.
Okay.
I
Now,
have I have
I
yes.
one
think Anant
question.
also joined session. Anant is also there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have one question,
Y-
Manoj.
Yes, yes, yes.
For a sprint backlog,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Scrum Master is responsible, or
Yes,
both are responsible?
I said both.
Both.
Yes, I said both here. Scrum Master,
Hmm.
I given here plus also. You haven't seen this. Scrum Master plus developer
Scrum team.
plus tester. All these persons are responsible. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So after picking these tickets, just we have picked how many tickets? Just consider 15 tickets. How, Manoj? These are like we have planning meetings, all these things. Right now, I can't cover all those things. Okay, that is like a future topics. I will explain in Jira. Right. So these 15 tickets we have picked. Now, what is the next stage, Manoj? The next stage is we are working under sprints, right? How we are going to check it? So now consider here, if you want to play cricket, okay, just consider, guys, if you want to play cricket, how you will play? You will play in a time basis, right or wrong? Morning 6 p.m., it's a Sunday today. Morning 6 p.m. to around 10 a.m. Sorry, morning 6 a.m., I'm sorry, I kept it like a morning 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. What you will do, guys? You will play cricket. After that, you will come home and you will study. So this is our scenario whenever we are in 10th standards, intermediate, and engineering, right? Here also the same thing, guys. Here we are working in a sprint wise. In IT industry, under agile methodology, we are working under sprint wise. Manoj, what is this sprint? This sprint is nothing but it is a time duration. It is a duration. Just consider it is a duration. Okay. What is this duration, Manoj? Okay, it is a duration. We have a rule, guys. We have a rule. In sprints, we have to work in weeks, in a time period. That time period, we are calculating it as time boxed. Okay, we are calculating that as time box. Okay, all the ceremonies we are calling it as time box. Manoj, can you explain clearly? Yes, I will explain clearly, but it is going to need it some time, guys. Just up to here, understand here. Okay, time box. Okay, now, okay, now sprint is a time box. Okay, how we are working under sprint, Manoj? Either it might be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, guys. Okay, based upon this timings, we are working, guys. This period, this time period, we are working, guys. Okay. Manoj, as a Scrum Master, are you choosing this 1, 2, 3, 4, any one of it? No, guys. This product owner will decide the sprint length. Okay. Now the product owner, just consider the product owner decided 2 weeks. We are going to work under 2 weeks. Now the product owner decided 4 weeks. We are going to work 4 weeks, guys. Okay. The sprint length will be decided by the product owner. Okay, Manoj, I have a doubt that initially sprint one has started 2 weeks, and after a few sprints, just consider now 10 sprints completed. Now the product owner is saying that We are going to work on 4 week sprints. Is that okay, Manoj? No, guys, it's absolutely wrong. Then that is not a agile methodology and a Scrum framework. We are not going to do that. Okay, Manoj, is there any time the person has done like that? Yes, guys. In my previous company, some of the clients said that to do like this, and we have done like that. What is the major disadvantage, Manoj? The flow will be gone. Okay, the flow will be gone. What is the flow, Manoj? Can you give any example? Yes. So today we are having India versus South Africa match. Just consider they are playing every 1 hour. Okay, every 1 hour they are playing 10 runs. Now after 20 overs, how many runs it will be? Hari,
After 20, it will be 20.
how it will be 20? 200.
Okay, you multiplied. Okay, fine, 200.
Yes, right. For 1 hour, the score is 10. Okay,
Yes,
every
yes.
over they are playing 10 runs per hour. Right. After 20 overs, how much the runs will be? 200, right?
200, yeah, 20 into 10.
Yes. If they played 50 overs, okay, if they played for 50 overs, that will be around 500 runs.
500.
But in between, what the people said is, okay, you are playing good, don't lose the wicket, play slow. Okay. Now after 30 overs, they played a little bit slower. Now the score is 250. That means from 20 to 30 overs, how much they have played?
10 hours.
10 overs. But how much they have scored?
50 extra.
50 extra. But in 10 overs, they hit only 50 runs. That means the run rate has been changed. That is around 5 runs per hour.
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes.
Right? 5 runs per an hour they have changed. Now the run rate has been changed. Right? Here also the same thing. Initially, we are working for 2 weeks. Sorry, I have to give you more, right? Okay. 350 guys. Okay.
Okay.
350. Okay. Now, initially, they are playing for 10 runs per an hour. Right? Now, 20 to 30, they played for 15 runs per an hour. That means here they build some pressure, right? Hari?
Yes.
They push their limits. Right or wrong? Here also
Yes.
the same thing. Here they are working in 2 weeks of sprint and it is flexible. Now the client made them to work for 4 weeks of sprint. Okay. Now they have pushed their limits to play 15 runs. To hit 15 runs per an hour, it is really hard for any team members. Right, guys?
Yes.
So they push their limits. And for 30 to 40, now the coach said that hit 25 runs per an hour. Is that possible?
No. Not
No,
possible.
not possible. Here also the same thing. Now, guys, please meet us. What happening here? Ultimately, the pressure is building here. Okay. If you are working with the 10 runs per hour for every sprint, it is okay. But whenever you made a change, then you are going to have a lot of disturbances, right? The reports will be changed, right or wrong? The reports will be definitely changed, guys. How it will change, Manoj? I will show it, guys. I will show you in real time, no problem in that. Okay, right. If I will show or I will make you to do it, no problem in that. Okay, I will definitely show it to you. Okay, initially what we are doing, guys, just taking the universal thing I'm saying. Universally, the companies are working for 2 weeks of sprint. Okay, right. What we are doing, the next step is in 2 weeks, we are agreed to complete this 15 tickets. Right or wrong? How we can complete, Manoj? By doing coin toss? No, guys. We are having some capacity plannings. Okay, based upon that capacity planning, We are working and we are completing the projects. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, right. What is the next step, guys? We are working each and every day. Okay, that is called 24 hours. In a day, how many hours, guys, we are having? 24 or 25 hours?
24.
24 hours. In that 24 hours, how many hours you are working?
8 hours.
9 hours.
Okay, 9 hours.
What is your time shift?
Uh, 9 hours, 1 hour includes a break.
No problem. I will include another 1 hour also. I will cut that 1 hour also. No problem in that. Okay. Don't
Okay.
worry about it. But what is our shift timing? 10
Yeah.
a.m. to 7 p.m. Universal thing. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Right?
Yes.
That
Yes.
means can you calculate how many hours it will be?
10 to 7 is 9 hours.
9 hours. Right? In these 9 hours, we are staying in where? Office. Right or wrong? This is called 24 hours.
Yes.
In these 24 hours, we are doing 9 hours of shift. Okay. In these 9 hours, how we are calculating, I will show you very beautifully. Okay. No need to worry about it. Right. 9 hours every day we are working. Based upon these 9 hours, we are calculating the things and we are completing these 15 tickets. Okay. After completing the 15 tickets, what we are going to have, Manoj? The next step is the next step is let me take another one also. Okay. Right. The next step is called uh, this is sprint review, guys. Okay, this one is called as sprint review. I'm keeping it as SR. Okay, sprint review. When we are going to have this sprint review, Manoj? After just consider 10th day, second half, second half in the sense afternoon. How much time, Manoj? I will give you clarifications on timings also. Okay, no need to worry about it. Now what we are doing now in this sprint review meeting, the clients will come, guys. Okay, some XYZ project is there, right? So Amazon, just take Amazon. Amazon project is there. Now this Amazon clients will come, guys. Okay, now this 15 tickets we have to showcase to them. How we have developed this dummy project, we have to show to the clients, guys. Okay, now the clients will check all those things, whatever the requirements, whatever the description they have given. Based upon that, they will check and they are going to accept the tickets. If any ticket is not done properly, they won't accept those ticket, guys. To deliver that ticket, they won't accept. What we are going to do? We are going to put that ticket back to the product backlog. Manoj, that ticket might be a small change, right? Why we are moving that to the product backlog? Yes, guys. The clients will think that the ticket is not done properly, so that they will say you to uh, develop from the first. Okay. So this is the thing previously happened regularly, guys. That's the reason we have implemented something not to take back the tickets. Okay, I will explain that topic also. Right, guys. Understood up to here?
Yes.
Either it might be a 10th day or it might be the 9th day, second half. Okay, 10th day or 9th day, the sprint review meeting will happen. Okay, based upon the clients. Okay, now they have agreed this. What we are doing, guys, next step is sprint retrospective. Okay, what is this sprint retrospective, Manoj? Sprint retrospective is nothing but it is a team building activity. Okay, whatever the if client said that something needs to be improved, right? Based upon that, we are going to do some action items and we are going to work on those. Okay, I will show you this thing, guys. Sprint retrospective in the end. Okay, at the end only we are going to do this retrospective. Okay, guys, because nothing is there in retrospective. If the client has given you some positive points, we are going to discuss how to get more positive points. Okay, if the client gave you negative feedback, okay, we are going to discuss about that negative feedback, why we got the negative feedback in future sprints, why in future sprints we should not get that negative feedbacks, so that we are going to work on those items. Understood, guys? Those are the things we are going to discuss in sprint retrospective. Yes, any doubts?
No, I'm good.
Yes, Kanchan,
No doubt.
Kiran, Kiran, Unnava?
I don't think Kiran is there. Anant is there.
Yeah, Anant is Kiran. Kiran, you are on mute, Kiran.
Yes, Manoj.
Uh, any doubts?
No, Manoj. Actually, through from my system, actually the audio is not working, so that's why I'm using my mobile.
Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. Keep your system, in your system, your audio is not working, right? Keep it on mute. Okay, you are getting, from your end, I'm getting echo. Okay, keep echo, keep zero volume so that you can listen from mobile, and or else if you want to see from a laptop, you can see from laptop. Okay, right.
Okay, Manoj.
Yes, right. Now what we are doing, guys, now sprinter retrospective has been done. Now we are going for the final step, guys. Now what we have done, sprint 1 is completed, right? Now this is sprint 1, right? We have accepted all the 15 tickets. What we are doing now, we are delivering these things. We are delivering these things. Okay, after why we are delivering, Manoj? Initially we are going to have different strategies in the organization, guys. Okay, the delivery will be in different types. Okay, some people will have a delivery by sprint. Okay, just consider this 15 tickets we are going to deliver at a time. Next sprint 2, we are going to deliver those next sprint. Okay, that is one technique. And another technique is we are storing these things. That is nothing but one sprint, two sprints, okay, three sprints, four sprints, five sprints, six sprints, seven sprints, eight sprints, and we are delivering. Otherwise, we have another thing also. That is, we are delivering the product quarterly basis. Quarterly in the sense 3 months, guys. For every 3 months, we are delivering the products. Another 3 months, that is half yearly basis. Okay, next 3 months, and next 3 months. This is yearly basis. Right, guys? Every 3 months, we are going to do some deliveries. Now, I want to ask you, Hari, if I have taken 2 weeks of sprint, in 3 months, how many sprints I will get?
One sprint is of 2 weeks, right?
Mm-hmm.
In month, you will get two sprints.
Okay,
Uh, in 3 months, you will deliver six sprints.
6 sprints. Okay, if it is 3 weeks of sprints, in 3 months, how many I can deliver?
Mm, 3 weeks per month, it will be one and a half.
One and a half. Ah,
One sprint kada, 3 weeks kada. So
yes.
in a month we have 4 weeks. So you will
Mm-hmm.
have one uh, one sprint per month.
Mm-hmm.
So in 3 months you will deliver three sprints.
No.
4 sprint.
Calculate again. Calculate it again. How did you calculate it?
Per week, 3 weeks is one sprint. In a month, we will have 4 weeks.
Yes.
So 3 months, three sprints.
Right. Okay. What about the remaining week? Every month you are losing 1 week, right? What about that 1 week? Are you going to play in the organization for that 1 week?
No.
You are going to work, right?
Yes.
Yes. Why you are not calculating that?
Okay.
See
Then
here.
3 plus 1, 4.
hmm How you have to calculate is, let me show you.
Okay.
Okay. In a month, how many weeks are there?
4,
4 into how many months you are delivering?
3.
Right. 12 sprint, 12 weeks, right?
Yes.
Every sprint is how many weeks?
3.
How much you will get?
4.
4 sprints.
Okay.
Okay. That means every sprints after 4 sprints, you are going to deliver whole products. Up to now, 4 months, every sprint you are delivering 12. Okay. You are
Yes.
keeping it somewhere. After 4 months, after 4 sprints, how many tickets you will get around?
It depends on the number of tickets
Yeah, I
created.
have given for an example 12. Each sprint you are delivering 12.
4
Okay,
12 is 48 tickets.
48. Around 50 tickets you are delivering, right?
Yes.
That 50 tickets you are delivering at a time.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Huh.
Right. Previously, Kanchan, Surabhi is there, right?
Survey is not.
No, not here in your batch.
Yeah.
Yeah, Surabhi or Poonam, someone said this. What they said is, yeah, mute yourself, mute yourself. What they said is, every sprint, that means 2 weeks, every 2 weeks they are delivering. Okay, that is not the proper way. Okay, that means if you deliver it, the client will deliver that and he will keep on adding the sprints, right? That means he is not delivering in the production end, guys. Okay, in the production end, they are not delivering the product. What they are doing, just they are storing it. Okay, for 3 weeks or 4 weeks they will deliver. Sorry, 3 months or 4 months they will keep all those things and they will deliver it again. But we are also doing the same thing, right? There are some changes, guys. That is lack of that is the lack of knowledge the clients are doing like that. As a scrum master, you have to guide these clients also. If they don't listen, don't worry, guys. Whatever they ask you, just give to them. Okay. Initially, you have to take some initiation. Okay. Hey, can we do like this? So we can get like a very good bits. If the client says that no, we don't want like that. We will have the tickets every sprint by sprint. Okay. Let them to have that. After few sprints they will come to you and they will say that what if we, because they are keeping the tickets in live, but they are not releasing it. They have to pay for that also. Now ultimately they will come to you, what did you say previously? If you keep the tickets and we can save money, right? So can we do that? Yes, we can do that, absolutely. Manoj, have you implemented this? Yes, for many projects, for many sprints, I have implemented that. And by using this, we can get a very huge number of success rate, guys. Okay. In organization, 90 percentage the people will do like this only. Okay. If the Scrum Master don't have knowledge, whatever the client says, he will do the same. Okay, understood?
Manoj,
Yes.
can you please repeat it again?
Which one? Which one? Which part?
Just you just finished that part. we are going to deliver in
Mhm.
every 3 months, right?
Yes.
Whatever we are
No, no,
going.
no. No, no, no. It depends.
It
Okay.
depends
It
upon
depends on the
organization to
client.
organization.
No,
Okay.
client to client.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just consider Hari is the client to me. Hari is the owner of Amazon. Whatever client says, as a Scrum Master, I have to accept that. But initially, I have some knowledge on this. What I will say, hey, Hari, if we do this, if we do like this, we can get some changes, some improvements. If the client listens to you and client says, okay, can we follow this? And if we have the improvements, we can work on it. If we don't have the improvements, in future I don't use. Then, okay, we can have a try. We will do it. Now, client is not accepting it. What you will do? Okay, whatever he says, you are going to follow it.
So Scrum Master have to go with a stakeholder to discuss all this thing.
No need to discuss. You
Okay.
have some idea, right? You are going to discuss that.
Okay.
Okay, if they are following the same thing, no need to discuss, right?
Okay.
Yeah. If the process is wrong, okay,
Okay.
as a Scrum Master, you have to rectify that and you have to clear that.
Okay. So we
Okay.
have to inform them that this is the right process. If we
Mhm.
will do this, then result will be improved.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Up to here, any doubts, guys? Hari?
No, Manus, clear.
Okay. Right. I will show you the product increment, guys, how it will be. Oh, sorry, I haven't written here, right? So this is called the product increment, guys. The last step is product increment, PI. Okay. Product increment. What is this product increment, Manoj? Simple, guys. After completing this sprint, we are going to store those tickets in one space. That is called as product increment. Manoj, can you give me any live example? Yes. Just consider rice godowns. You have seen, right? Whenever we will, like villages, whenever we try to go to the villages, we are going to have some rice godowns in the outskirts. What they will do, guys, they will have a contract with all the farmers, and after the crop has been grown, they will cut the crop and they will get the rice grains and they will store in the rice godowns. Right or wrong, guys? How many bags? One or two or three or four or five?
In lot, they will share all the rice bags.
Yes, it is going to be in large numbers, right? So in that large numbers, how they will keep 25 kg, 25 kg, right? Or 100 kg, 100 kg,
25 kg.
25, 25 kg, right? So why are you saying this, Manoj? The simple thing is this rice go down, okay? That rice go down is a product increment, guys. Okay, the price go down is a product increment. After completing one crop, just consider Kanchan has 10 acres of land. Kanchan has planted rice. Okay, after 6 months, she got the grains and she given to the product increment. Now this is Kanchan. Now after next I went to um, Hari. Hari has some grains. Now what Hari has done? Hari has given something. Now I got one plus another, that is two, right? Now what we are doing, guys? I'm not going to keep aside, guys. This is Kanchan, this is Hari. No, why? Because I purchased it. Now what I'm doing it? I'm adding these two, right? Now here I got 100 bags from Hari. Now from Kanchan, I got 200 bags. Okay, now what I'm doing? I'm adding these two. Then I got it like around 300 bags. Hey, hi Akash.
Hi Manoj, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Why are you too late, man?
I just so sorry.
Okay, right. Okay. The thing is like what we have done here, we have done some improvements that is called as increment. The simple definition is product increment is nothing but addition of current build plus previous build. Okay, up to here you understood, guys? Any doubts? I will explain you clearly product increment now.
No, clear.
Clear. Right. Let me remove this. And Akshay, Akash, just go through the recording up to here. If you have any doubts, uh, I will clarify your doubts. Okay.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So by tomorrow,
Yeah.
I will
Sure.
ask.
Sure.
Manoj, one doubt.
Yes.
I was
Yes.
going through the Scrum Master document. So you're
Mm-hmm.
discussing about Scrum framework, huh?
Yes.
Okay, but there are core value principles, empirical, and three
Mm-hmm.
pillars are there in the document.
Yes.
So you would cover it at a later part.
Yes. Next to agile methodology, we are going to cover that.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. That's what I said, right? Every day, only one topic I will explain.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. If I explain all those things, you can't understand. We have
Ah,
to get the basics very slowly.
షూర్. అంటే టాపిక్స్ ఏ రోజు ఆ రోజు నేను చదువుకున్నాను. అంటే దాని ప్రకారం నేను
Okay.
ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటున్నా. అందుకని అడిగా.
Okay.
ఫైన్.
Okay.
గుడ్.
You can write it to yourself. Only one day you can write only on your paper, only one topic.
ఓకే, ఫైన్. డన్. ఐ విల్ మేక్
Uh,
అ
y-
నోట్ ఆఫ్.
yes. Okay then. Right. See here. Now what I'm doing is I'm explaining about the product increment, guys. Okay. Now sprint one. Where is the green color? Okay. Now sprint one, guys. Sprint one completed. Okay. What we have done? We have completed some number of tickets. Just consider in this sprint one, I completed 10 tickets. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 tickets. So
Manoj,
total,
sorry to interrupt. It's
yes.
a ticket or it's a user stories?
Yeah, user stories or tickets or requirements, everything is same.
Okay, so as per my knowledge, first we create the
Mm-hmm.
project, right? After that,
Yes.
we create the user stories.
Mm-hmm.
In user stories, the we divided in user stories is a very big part or a very large group for a
Mm-hmm.
sprint, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then we divide user stories into multiple sprints and assign
No.
into user. Oh, sorry, we divide user stories into story
Subtask,
points, some task. Okay, task.
subtask. Okay. Those
Okay,
things I will explain in Jira. Okay, Akash?
okay.
I will give you some clarity on that also, but the thing is, we have to know it in Jira. See here, this is the ticket, right? If you open this ticket, you will have the subtasks. See here, these are all the subtasks. Okay, how we have to do all the subtasks, I will explain you clearly. Okay,
And
in the yeah,
that name is showing as
which name?
MAGVS at the end of it. It's showing that developers, right? The assignee,
Yeah,
and 5382 are the users, are the uh,
user stories.
yeah,
This
the
one, right?
points.
Tira
Yeah.
2, Tira 3,
No,
Tira
at
4.
the end, to do after the to do
Yeah, these are the story points.
story points.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, these are the
So
story
is
points.
there any way? So suppose
Mhm,
that like it's a one kind of subtask that enter phone number functionality has to develop or log
mhm,
in or sign up page. So
mhm.
is there anything we change the user stories?
How?
Story points. Sorry, can we change the use story points
Before starting this sprint, you can play with the story point. Okay?
after starting it?
No, you should not change it.
Okay. So sprint. Is there any way to cancel the sprint or
Sorry?
can we cancel the sprint in the middle?
Why?
Suppose that again that the stakeholder has changes something, and they don't need that kind of thing which we
Yeah,
are working on a.
then we are going to have some planning meeting. Okay, if we want to add something, just consider here
Mhm,
we have taken 5 tickets, right? One, two, three, four,
mhm,
five. Now
mhm,
product owner want to add something. It will give you some pop-up,
mhm,
right? What is it pop-up? Scope will change, right? What we are
mhm.
doing, guys, now if we want to add it, ultimately the scope will change, guys, right? For that reason, initially whenever we are starting the sprint, we have to say to the product owner, hey product
Mhm,
owner, if you want to add something in the middle of the sprint,
mhm.
please intimate to me so that we can have some discussions on that.
The Scrum, the Scrum Master will ask these kind of questions, right? To that,
Yes,
to the
to the
product
product
owner.
owner. Yes, so might be the product owner requires this eighth ticket is very urgent to him.
Mhm,
Now in the current sprint, he has to deliver it.
mhm,
Okay, but he don't need this sixth ticket.
mhm,
Okay,
mhm,
what he has to do, he will say to me that Manoj, can we do exchange?
mhm,
Absolutely, we can do exchange, but just consider to complete this, it is going to be 100 hours.
mhm.
To complete this Tira 8, it is 200 hours.
Yeah,
Can we do that?
I think no.
No.
Or-
What we are doing, we have to remove 2 tickets there,
Okay, okay. The
right?
same working, the same hours
Yes.
should be.
Yes, if it is very urgent, but 99% we don't change. We will try to have some other client meeting also.
Okay.
Okay,
In
if
in
client
this.
says that I don't फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे को change कर दो,
Mhm.
then we will definitely change it.
In this, we can also assign the priority of the task, right?
This priority will be
Uh,
given by the product owner only.
Only product owner or Scrum Master can.
See, if the product owner don't have idea about this priorities, what we are going to do is we will call the development team to give the priorities.
Okay, okay.
Or else, have you heard of about SME,
Yeah, the
subject
subject matter.
matter expert?
Right.
Subject matter experts will sit in this meeting and he will give the prioritizations.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Okay, yes. No worries, I will explain those clearly.
Thank you.
Right, yeah. Hmm. Right, yes. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do sprint, sorry, product increment. Now we have completed the sprint one. What I said, product increment is nothing but, okay, product increment is nothing but it is the addition of current, current, current build, okay, current build plus previous build, okay, current build plus previous build. Now we have completed only one sprint, that is current builder, previous builder. Hurry,
Previous bit.
how? Just consider you have 10 rupees in your hand, okay, that is
Okay.
current previous.
Current.
Now you have 10 tickets completed in this sprint one. Now this is current previous
Current.
current, right? Now you have 100 rupees total, you have 100 rupees, okay,
Hmm.
now you have 100 rupees. Now what is the current here, 100 or 10?
100.
100. Now you have 10 rupees also, but you saved somewhere else. You
Yes.
kept 10 rupees in your pocket, left hand side pocket, and you have 100 rupees in your hand. Okay, if
Yes.
anyone asks you how many rupees you have, what you will say?
100.
110. How it will be 100?
Okay, I thought 10 is part of 100. Okay, then it's
No,
No.
100.
Manoj, repeat please one more time.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. See here, guys. Product increment. We are talking about the product increment. Product increment is nothing but addition of current build plus previous build. Okay. Now I have completed this sprint one. Okay, now this will become as current build. Okay, that's for an example I have given you. You have 100 rupees. Okay, now this 100 rupees is current. Just consider your mom gave you 100 rupees to you. Your mom gave you 100 rupees. That is called the current. Now, after, the next day, your dad gave you another 100 rupees. Okay, sorry, another 200 rupees to you. Your dad gave you 200 rupees. Now, what is the current and what is the previous?
Previous is 100, current is 200.
Yes. If I said you how much you have,
300.
300, right?
Hmm.
Now, what you are doing? You are doing some addition. That is called increment.
Okay, the previous work and the current work.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Manoj, okay. Now you said that here is the current. What is the previous? Previously, you haven't done anything. Then it is going to be 0. 0 plus 10, you are going to have 10. 10 is your product increment. Right or wrong? Guys?
Yes.
Right. Now, here is the catch, guys. Now, sprint 2. SP2. Okay. Now, in sprint 2, you have completed another 10 tickets. Now, what is the current and what is the previous, guys? How much you have?
20. 10
Yeah,
completed, 10 pending.
10 pending.
At a 10 yet to be worked.
Where
It's
you
sprint to 10. Sprint 1, 10 completed. Current plus
no.
previous kada.
See. If you have the money, then only you are going to calculate. Right or wrong?
Hmm.
Your father gave you 200 rupees. That means he gave you the 200 rupees. He wants to give you 200 rupees. I didn't I previously I didn't said that your father want to give you 200 rupees, so that calculate 200 rupees.
Okay.
Did I said like that?
No.
No. He gave you. If you have, then only you are calculating.
Okay.
If you don't have, you are not going to calculate it. Right.
Understood.
Now product increment is what? Current build plus previous build. Now this is the current build and now this is the previous build. Right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right. Now listen carefully, guys. Now I completed this sprint 3. Okay. In
Hmm.
sprint T, I have completed 10 tickets. Again 10 tickets. Now what is the current build and what is the previous build, guys?
Current build is 10.
Then
Previous build is
previous is
No,
20.
number. This
current
is the
build is.
number, guys. This is the number. Say with number. Current build is 3.
Mhm.
What is the previous build? 2 or 1?
2 plus 1.
How it will be 2 plus 1? We are going to check only one build,
Okay, then it's only 2.
2, right? This is the
Mhm.
Yes.
previous. Now, what about the sprint 1? Are we going to delete these things?
No.
I
Okay,
think no.
okay. I will give you another example. Now, sprint 4. Okay. Again, I have completed this sprint 4. You can check here. Now, again, I completed 10 tickets. 10 is just for an example, guys. There will be in live, it will be up and down. Okay. Sometimes 15, sometimes 14, sometimes 20. For our reference purpose, I'm saying 10. Now, what is the current build?
10.
No, sprint 4. You have to say this number.
Okay.
Yeah, that number.
Okay, sprint 4 is the current. What is
Current.
the previous?
Sprint 3.
Sprint 3.
Sprint 3 is the previous. Now, what about the sprint 1 and sprint 2? Right or wrong? Are we?
Right.
I am calculating only current build plus previous build. Now, what about this previous and again those previous? Here is the simple technique, guys. Now see here. Now this is sprint 1, right? In sprint
Yes.
1, how many tickets I have completed? 10.
10.
Okay. What is
Yes.
the previous build? Plus 0.
0.
Now totally I have added, right?
Yes.
Totally I have added and I kept it in some space.
Yes.
Okay. That is called total 10. Okay. Now what I'm doing, sprint 2 completed. Sprint 2 how many tickets?
10.
10, right? 10 plus 10, 20, right?
Yes.
Now this 20 I'm keeping it in somewhere else.
Okay.
Physically we can't see these things, guys. Just
Okay.
just check it. Okay. Physically I will show you how to do these things. Okay. But now you kept it 20 here. Now you completed the sprint 3, guys. Okay. As per the product increment, if you add sprint 3 plus sprint 2, now sprint 1 will be deleted. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Now what you have to do, guys? After completing the sprint 3, you have to connect with this, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Then 20 plus 10. This 20 is the combination of sprint 1 plus sprint 2.
Yes.
Now 20 is the previous build and 10 is the current build. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Total 30, guys. Now sprint 4 completed. You should not connect with the sprint 3, guys. Okay. You
Mhm.
have
Okay.
to come here and you have to connect with this thing.
30 plus 10.
30 plus 10. Now you are going to have all the features here. Right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
Manoj, one
Yes.
doubt. You said
Yes.
that after sprint 3
One second.
completing 10.
1 second. 1 second. Kanchan. Kanchan,
Yes.
can you ping to Poonam and Surabhi?
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. Right, guys. Yes, yes. Go ahead, Hari. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm really sorry.
Fine, fine, no problem. After sprint 3 completing 10 stories, you said
Mhm.
that sprint 3 people will meet previous two 20 plus 10 30.
Yes.
So, does the same team work on 1, 2, 3, 4 sprints or people will change?
No, everyone will work on the same tickets, same sprints.
Okay.
We have a dedicated team.
Yeah, in for the entire project,
Yeah,
right? So,
entire
but
project.
developers are same, right?
Developers are same. In between, someone had kept their
Design.
papers.
Mhm.
Someone resigned. Okay, they will have a replacement.
Okay.
So
Okay,
the Scrum team is size between 7 to
it
11
depends.
or
No, 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 no. One student is there, Rajalakshmi. For her, they have given only 3 people.
one is Scrum Master, one is Product
No, no,
Owner.
no. Yeah, one is Scrum Master, one is Product Owner, 2 developers, one tester.
Okay. So they are
So,
5.
Mhm.
Manoj, normally in a company, how many people will be there in Scrum team? It includes a product owner should be there and Scrum Master should be there. Apart
Yes.
these two people, how many? I mean, ideally, how
Yeah.
many developers will be there,
Yeah.
or and
See,
testers as well?
yes, 70% will be developers, guys. Okay.
Okay.
I will give you a clear understanding here. See, if you're working on a project, just consider you are working on a project. Okay.
Hmm.
They have given you a dedicated team that is
Hmm.
called seven members, right? For these 7 members, 7 plus 2, you have to add like this.
Hmm.
Okay, 7 plus 2 in the sense, 7 are developers and testers. Two people are called as, one is Scrum Master and one is Product Owner. Now your total size is 9. Okay. Now coming to this 7, this is going to be splitted. How, Manoj? It might be 4. 4 people might be developers. 3 people might be testers. If testing team not required that much, 5 are the developers and 2 are the testers. Okay, guys?
Yeah, fine, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Surabhi.
Hi Manoj.
Yeah. Understood, guys? Any doubts?
No, I'm clear.
No.
Okay, right. Let's wrap up this thing for today. And tomorrow I will explain you the another concept. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Still
Yeah.
something is there. I will explain tomorrow, first 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Right,
Thank
guys.
you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Manoj.
Yeah.
Manoj,
Thank
I
you, Akash.
can continue with this class, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll be there.
I am leaving, Manoj. Thank you.
Okay, Akash. Okay. No worries.
So I can just watch some videos, older one, and then connect with you with doubts.
Okay, okay. Sure, 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 sure. I will upload this video by the EOD.